Hey guys, I'm Lydia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming part 2 of my Zara winter try-on haul. This video is going to be all of the skirts and the dresses. In my last video, I tried on bodysuits, jeans, pants. I'm going to have everything linked in the description down below. Where it was the winter sale, I do know a lot of these pieces are sold out. And let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the box it came in. It is huge and I'm so excited. In the last video, I honestly loved almost every single thing I got except the fact that everything has zippers on it. So that was kind of annoying. I'm super excited because these are all dresses and skirts and I haven't tried any of them on yet and they are all so cute. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna start with my favorite because I cannot wait to try this on. It is just this beautiful floral lacy dress. It's ruched all down in the front. It has these puff sleeves. This is giving me such Valentine's Day vibes. I'm so excited. And then it has the zipper in the back. I just feel like it's gonna be so cute on. I'm so excited. I love this one so much. My next is this skirt. So I got a lot of these because I'm going on a trip to Hawaii and I honestly just don't own any skirts or anything, so I thought during the sale was the perfect time to get a couple pieces for summer and for vacation. And how can you go wrong with this? You can't. This is adorable. It just has this little bow on the front. It's a little mini skirt. So cute. This one I wasn't sure about. It looks kind of crazy. I don't own any long skirts because I feel like they're not flattering on me. But I decided to give it a shot. It's just this satin green tie in the front skirt. It's super long. I was buying this, I pictured wearing this with the bag I got in my last video and then like a black tank top and sandals. I feel like it's gonna be so cute. Continuing on with the skirts, I got this black cutout ruched skirt. Just black mini skirt and it has the slit in the side. This is like so trendy right now and I've wanted one of these. Originally it was $59.90 and I got this for I think $10 or $15. So this was a steal and it just has a zipper down the side. And this is like a really thick material, so I'm not sure how it'll look on. We'll see. So when I was debating on getting this, I didn't know whether to get the pink or they had a green and then they had this blue color, but I'm so glad I decided to get this. This is so spring and it's gonna look so cute with like white Air Forces. It's just the outfit I have in mind. I just got a text from my best friend saying the mall here is getting a Sephora and I've never been so excited. And it's just this ribbed material all the way down. This is my favorite type of dress right now. I just find it so flattering. It's this satin dress and it has little moons and stars and I don't know when I'm gonna wear this out. It kind of gives me sleepwear vibes, but it's also so beautiful. I was so drawn to this. They had so many like with the draped satin effect crossback on sale and for some reason this is the one I was drawn to the most. I just loved it so much. I thought it was so cute. So when I ordered this, I was not expecting this material. It's just a one shoulder jumpsuit. And when I bought this, I was expecting it to be a spandex material for like working out. I thought I'd be able to wear this with like a white sweater, but no, if you look up close, it's lace. So it's really not what I was hoping for. At least I know I like this style, so I can get a spandexy one. What I was hoping to be able to wear as like a sporty outfit, like I wanted to wear this cute little green New York high silver tag on it. But I thought this would be so cute with like white sneakers and it's lace. So like that just doesn't go. Like it just doesn't work now. So back with the Satin Effect styles. This one is kind of hard to see without it being on me. It's just this wrap in the front, this really pretty almost marble print. I love these colors. And it's just, this material is so nice. I find it so comfy and it's so flattering on everybody. The drape type tops are flattering on every body type. I definitely recommend, if you're debating on getting one of these type of dresses, go for it because you will love it. I know you will love it. I originally actually tried this on in my other video and I don't think I added it because I hated it so much on me. I tried it on with flare pants, so I feel like that might have played an effect. Also, it was so uncomfortable. I just wasn't expecting it to, like, it's super cute. It's just really out of my comfort zone. And I don't know how to wear this. I don't know what kind of pants to put with this. I don't know what would look good. Jeans wouldn't look good. Leather pants I don't think would look good. And it is a corset style in the front, but a zipper in the side. So it really gets you structured in there. It's probably my least favorite thing I've gotten. I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear this, what I'd wear this for. I don't think I'd recommend this unless you know you like those style tops. Same with this. This looks adorable in the picture when I bought it, but the material is very thick. Not flattering, like the cutout isn't flattering on me, and the color. I find the color really washes me out. The material's really thick to be a crop top, if you can tell. It's just very curtain. It feels like I'm wearing a curtain and like I'm structured in way too much. When you put this on and lift up your arms, it like slides up. Also seam on the sleeve, and you really feel it on the inside. Right here, like you can feel that when you wear it. And also there's this little cutout here on the sleeve. This is cute. The cutout is cute. I love the idea. It's me very business. You couldn't wear this for anything business related because it's a crop top. So I don't know what you're supposed to do with this, but anyways. I don't have any black mini dresses, and I think long sleeve dresses are so cute. This one I'm not entirely sure on if it'll fit me. It looks really big. This little gem in the front. It has this little neck keyhole. Such a nice material. It's very breathable. It's very thin material, but not so thin that it'll be see-through. And then it has tons of ruching in the front. Super cute. And I lied. I actually saved best for last. It's this ruched mini dress. If you haven't noticed by the color scheme, my favorite colors are like pink, orange, and greens. Considering every item I've bought is like pink, orange, or green. It has these two little cutouts, has a zipper on the side, and these two little straps. Cute. Okay, so that's everything for my Zara Winter Haul Part 2. Let me know in the comments down below what one of your favorite was. I upload every Saturday and sometimes Wednesday, and thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.